Holiday season is always a good time to remind yourself of the kindness, joy, and goodness there is still to be found in the world. It's nice, lighten jal rahi hain, music baj raha hai har jagah. But that's also the issue. Har jagah. It's everywhere. You kind of really have to stand out if you'd like to get noticed. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel where today we are talking about Gurinder Chadha's Christmas Karma, now in movie theatres. The idea of this on paper is actually really fun. Charles Dickens का Ebenezer Scrooge from A Christmas Carol अगर कोई और ethnicity का बनाना है ही तो there is nothing better than an Indian uncle. Meet Ishan Sood, played by Kunal Nayyar, जो bah humbug की जगह बकवास बोलता है पूरे दिन. बकवास. He's a businessman in London. गुरिंदर चड्ढा की एडेप्टेशन में ये स्क्रूज से सूद सिंपल है एंड एज फार एज इजी टू कंज्यूम हॉलीडे फिल्म्स गो इट मेक्स सेंस. सूद को कोई हॉलीडे स्पिरिट है नहीं लाइफ में. धीरे धीरे इफ यू आर फेमिलियर विद द स्टोरी यू विल नो दैट ही एनकाउंटर्स घोस्ट्स ऑफ हिज past, present and future, and they help him realize the need to allow himself to heal from trauma and live his life and enjoy and share the ample wealth with those he need. He has so much money. Written by Gurinder Chadha herself, there is enough star power in this project for it to become a lovely little Christmas film for the family to enjoy one night with dinner, probably never think about again. Serviceable, if not sensational. That is the only expectation. However, the actual film is just too flat to hold your attention for longer than 5 minutes at a stretch. Familiarity with the story can be overlooked. Guillermo del Toro भी तो Frankenstein बना रहा है ना? The biggest drawback of Christmas Karma is the lack of any perceivable cleverness in the adaptation. Kunal Nayyar is introduced as sort of the opposite of Belle from Beauty and the Beast in that in his introduction sequence you see him walking around town and he's surrounded by singing people, happy about the holiday, only for him to snarl at them menacingly. The actor is displaying such little charisma and magnetism on screen here. Armed with a scowl instead of a personality, Sood becomes tiring super fast. The character is supposed to be grumpy without reason, and in 2025, when we are overburdened with stories and outrage content everywhere, Sood's apparent heightened displeasure without discernible reason only makes sense for a little while, as long as it takes for you to allow yourself to settle into his world. But once you are there, somehow Kunal Nayyar himself doesn't actually feel present and actively involved with his character, which unfortunately absolutely kills the story that relies so heavily on this one man's transformation. Missing the realism in magic realism, most support cast is directed to perform like over-enthusiastic theatre kids. The choice to turn the story into a musical is sweet but is unsatisfactorily executed. Dancers and songs are sitting on top of the screenplay rather than within it. Malkeet Singh, Boy George, they show up looking benign, as though they wandered onto the set by mistake, but now that they're here, might as well smile for the camera. Eva Longoria somehow manages to be sauceless. And if it weren't for Billy Porter's captivating presence and amazing singing prowess, Christmas Karma would have had even less going for it. In adapting Scrooge to Sood, Chadha gives him a Ugandan backstory, telling us that Sood's trauma stems from being ousted from the nation he once called home in the 70s due to Idi Amin's policies. That pain, inadequately mined, remains just a simplistic excuse for Sood to mean mug people all day. Something tragic happened in his childhood, so now he doesn't care if his employee's child dies of a disease. A scene in the redemption arc of this extremely unlikable protagonist involves his bedroom turning into a projection sphere of sorts with wildlife videos sashaying across the walls as he hugs the plaster and cries unconvincingly. The sentiment is beautiful, its execution positively silly. May I recommend Meera Nair's Mississippi Masala if you'd like a comedy where the characters have a similar backstory but with the bonus of seeing Denzel Washington and Sharmila Tagore in the same film. At least Christmas Karma has given me an earworm I think I'm going to be singing through this holiday season. No, it's not that Priyanka Chopra Jonas De Diya Dil rhyming with Kiya Jeena Mushkil. No, it's Malkeet Singh Khao piyo ऐश करो आज क्रिसमस नु मनावांगे. I love Punjabi Christmas carols I love. Thank you to our channel subscribers who have joined this week. Your support is what is going to keep this channel going. There's absolutely no other way now. I will be announcing the first date for the Serious Cinephiles Movie Club on the community tab on the channel very shortly. So make sure you don't miss the date, alright? There'll be a link also. If you're a subscriber, please consider becoming a channel member so this work here can stay free and it can stay in service to you. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.